Hi everyone. Today our topic about probability. First, what is the meaning of probability? See, today India and Australia match is going on. So many of the members asking a question, who will the match? There is 50-50 chances. Maybe India will win the match or maybe Australia win the match. So number of chances, how many possibilities are called probability. Simply possibility is called probability. Probability is the ratio of the times an event is likely to occur divided by the total possible events. Means before to learn this chapter, you recall the concept of fractions. See, actually in fractions, there is a figure. This figure divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. How many total parts? 4 parts. Always total parts write in a denominator place. In that, how many shaded parts? 1 by 4. How many not shaded parts? 3 by 4. Understood? Shaded parts 1 by 4, unshaded parts 3 by 4. In probability also, our number of chances we write in numerator place, total parts in denominator place. A probability is a number that reflects the chance. Which number? For example, if you throw a coin, that coin shape may be head or tail. What is the chance to come as head? 1 chance. Total chances? 2 chances. 1 chance head, 1 chance tail. Means 50% chances head, 50% chances tail. Half. Probabilities can be expressed as a proportion that range from 0 to 1. In the probability, chances is always between 0 to 1. In a toss, there is half chance for head, half chance for tail. All values of probability not more than 1 and not less than 1. Probabilities are 2 types: experimental probability, theoretical probability. Theoretical probability, another name is classical probability. Okay, experimental probability. In a dice, how many times will occur 1? If we do with the dice, that is experimental probability. If we can write, that is called theoretical probability. Probability for any event more than 0, less than 1. 0 less than or equal to probability of one event less than or equal to 1. The sum of probabilities of all possible outcome is 1. How many chances in a dice? 1 will occur, 1 by 6. How many chances 2 will occur? 1 by 6. How many chances 3 will be occur? 1 by 6. 4 1 by 6. 5 1 by 6. 6 1 by 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sum of all chances 6 by 6 1. This one. That theoretical or classical both are same. Probability of event E written as P of E is defined as P of E. Probability of event E, number of trials in which the event happened by total number of trials, where we assume that the outcomes of the experiment are equally likely. Means same chances, 50% tail, 50% head, like equally and likely. The probability of sure event or certain event is 1, whole 1. The probability of impossible event is 0. For example, head will come 3 chances in one flip, means it's impossible. The probability of an event E is a number P of E such that before we return, listen. The probability of sure event always is 1. Then the probability of event E such that P of E always more than 0 and less than 1. This probability first was given by definition given by Pierre Simon Laplace. This mathematician first given the definition for probability in 1795. Next, J. Cardan. This mathematician and physician, Italian, he wrote first book on probability named Games of Chance. This J. Cardan, mathematician and he also a physician, he wrote first book about probability, Games of Chance. Nowadays, probability used in many areas such as biology, economics, physics, genetics, sociology. We use probability of forecast of weather or election, population, earthquakes, who will win the match, who will lose the match. Like we are using probability. Random experiment. If you flip a coin, it will be head or tail. Random experiment, if you do, means head or tail. How many chances? 2 chances. For head, 1 chance. For tail, 1 chance. Okay. Now, if you take a die, in a die, what? Die means it's a cube shape, like a cube shape. In that, there are 6 dots. On one face 1 dot, another face 2 dot, another face 3 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. Okay. Now, if a coin is tossed, either head or tail may appear. Either head or tail appear. Number of events, how many events? Either head or tail. 2 events. If you take a die and throw one time, it face maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hence, this sample, how many will come? 1 to 6. Number of events, how many events? 6 events. Number of events, total events, n of s is equal to 6. When a coin is tossed getting a head, now, for example, how many chances? 3 will come, 1 chance among 6 chances. Then remaining 5 by 6. This number is element to 5 by 6 and 1 by 6 is element to 5 by 6. Now next, equally likely events. What is mean by equally likely events? When you do a experiment, chances will come. 2 or more events are mutually exclusive if the occurrence of each event prevents the every other event. Means when you toss a coin, head to tail, both will come same chances. Equal chance will come. So equally likely. Next, mutually exclusive events. 2 or more events are mutually exclusive if the occurrence of each event prevents the every other event. It means that if you throw a die, 1 will come, 1 by 6. This 1 stopped remaining numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means this 1, what said in the textbook? 2 or more events are mutually exclusive if this one occurrence of each number prevents the all other events. So if you want to come 1 by 6, then this one stopped remaining numbers. Next, complementary events. Now consider an event has few outcomes. An event has few outcomes. Event of all other outcomes in the sample survey which are not in the favorable event is called a complementary event. Next, exhaustive events. All the events are exhaustive events if their union is the sample space. Sure event, certain event. The sample space of a random experiment is called sure or certain event, as any one of elements will surely occur in any trial of the experiment. At last, impossible event. An event which will not occur on any account is called an impossible event. For example, when you throw a coin, there will be come 3 chances. No, it's not impossible. In further video, I will try to explain with more examples. Thank you.